Chef Lisa Parks of cheflisaparks.com, and today we are making a vanilla cookie banana cream pie. So what I have is some sliced banana, I have a vanilla cookie crust, some cream whipped topping, and some instant banana pudding. We're going to start by layering the bananas into the pie tin. We'll just put a nice generous layer. And it's okay if you overlap. Okay, so now we have a nice banana layer. All right, and then we're going to spoon the banana filling, the instant pudding, on top of the bananas. And we'll do a nice healthy layer. Okay, I'm going to smooth that and see if I have enough. This is a great dessert to have in the summertime, nice and cold on a nice hot day. All right. So we'll put it in the fridge for an hour and we'll set it, and then we'll come back after an hour and then we'll put the whipped cream topping on it. Okay, so we're going to pull our pie out. It's been chilling for an hour to set and firm. Okay, and now we're going to spoon some of our pre-whipped topping, our cool whipped topping, or whatever you call it, that cream stuff that's whipped that you buy in the store. And we're just going to lightly smooth it on. That should be enough, maybe. And we're going to completely cover the banana filling. Okay. And then we're just going to decorate with a couple of bananas slices. Need a little more over here. Okay, there you have it. And we'll just decorate it with a couple of slices of banana. And there you have it, a vanilla cookie banana cream pie. Easy to make, great on a hot summer day. You can get the recipe at cheflisaparks.com. Come back and visit me real soon. Bye.